They told us the floppy disk was useless, a fragile square that couldn't even hold a single photo by today's standards. But here's the truth. No one talks about that tiny, unreliable piece of plastic carried the entire digital revolution on its back. And if it weren't for the pain, the failures, and the frustration of that era, you wouldn't have your AI world today. Before the cloud, before USBs, before terabytes, there was the floppy disk. The year was 1971. IBM engineers were tired of feeding computers boxes of punch cards. They wanted freedom, portability, so they built it a flexible magnetic disk that could hold a few hundred kilobytes. It was revolutionary, but it was also brutal. You see, floppy disks were fragile. One fingerprint, one scratch, and your data vanished into thin air. You had to label each one by hand, swap them constantly, and pray your computer didn't crash in the middle of saving. Imagine writing your entire thesis, inserting your disk, and hearing that horrifying click, the one that meant your work was corrupted, gone, forever. That was normal life for early programmers, engineers, and students. But here's what's incredible. Those struggles created innovation. Every data loss, every limitation, every corrupted disk forced people to think smarter. How can we make storage safer, faster, more reliable? And that question led to everything we have today, from CDs and flash drives to cloud computing, to the massive AI data centers powering the future. People laugh at floppy disks now, but that little piece of tech represented humanity's first battle with digital limits. 1.44 megabytes, that's all you had, so you had to code efficiently, compress smarter, optimize every single byte. Today, we throw around terabytes like they're nothing. But the efficiency mindset, the discipline born from floppy disk hardships, still drives modern computing today. And here's a twist you probably didn't expect in 2025. Some floppy disks are still in use. Military systems, nuclear plants, old aircraft, still running on floppies. Why? Because they're simple, isolated, and almost impossible to hack. The same tech everyone mocks is quietly doing its job safely while modern systems crash and get breached. The floppy disk wasn't just storage. It was a teacher. It taught us to adapt, to fail, to rebuild, and to innovate. So the next time you see that little floppy disk icon, the one that means save, remember what it really stands for. It's not just nostalgia. It's a symbol of progress built through pain. A reminder that our greatest innovations come not from perfection, but from struggle, mistakes, and the determination to keep saving. Even when everything keeps breaking,